Here, it's amazing what we're seeing on radar. Todd, it's got to be hard for you guys with pink, a little green, a little white.
Yeah, a little bit of a wintry mix. The good news is it's very, very light, and temperatures right now are at or above freezing compared to yesterday when we were in the 20s. So whatever it felt, instantly stuck on the roadways, especially the bridges and overpasses. So a little bit of a different scenario here this morning, even though when you walk out the door, you will see a few flakes if you're in the Pendleton area down towards Fortville. So right along Pendleton Pike, really all the way from Pendleton into Marion County, we're dealing with a light rain snow mixture down to the south as we work our way into Hancock County and Greenfield. Even to the northern portion of Shelby County, dealing with a little bit of light snow through Marion County and then back off to the west from Plainfield as you work your way into Mooresville. And again, this is very, very light south of Stylesville. We're dealing with a little bit of a rain snow mixture, and this will continue to work its way through the area. You can see it's moving from west to east with maybe a little bit of a slide down off towards the south and east. So it's mainly affecting just Marion County and the surrounding counties as of right now. The rest of you are just dealing with mostly cloudy skies and a little bit of patchy fog. And as you look back off towards the west, you notice skies starting to clear in Chicago and Champaign, and we will see the sunshine later on today. It'll be a gradual process to work it in, and we probably don't get there until this afternoon, but nonetheless, the afternoon hours will be much brighter than the morning hours, at least for your drive. So as we go throughout the day, decreasing clouds, it turns partly sunny, and then once we get into the overnight hours, we will keep the skies partly cloudy as well. Here's a live look from downtown to the north, and you can see the reduced visibility. There's a little bit of patchy fog out there. At this point, it's not a widespread problem for us, and the visibilities aren't all that low, but certainly something we'll keep an eye on, because with a temperature right around 32 degrees, some of this fog could be in the form of a little bit of freezing fog. Now, that would mainly just affect the bridges and overpasses. So as you just get out on the roadways here this morning, especially on the interstates, once again, around those bridges, be a little bit careful. The wind's out of the west-southwest currently at 10 miles per hour. So we're at 32 from Indianapolis down towards Bloomington. We are below freezing from Peru to Lafayette, but you are not seeing any of the precipitation up there. So I think you're okay on the roadways there. 33 in Muncie. Obviously, that number is above freezing. So as we go throughout the course of the day today, there's a light mix that'll last through about 8 o'clock this morning. Then the clouds break. And then as we get into the evening hours, we'll get into the sunshine and actually eventually a high temperature that tops off right around 40 degrees. So all in all, a little bit of a slow start today, but improvement as we go into the afternoon hours.
Yeah, but these temperatures are pretty close to normal. See, our normal low at around 28 to 29 degrees. We're near that this morning, actually above it. And by afternoon, normal for us is set in the 40s at 43 degrees, and we'll see temperatures at around 40. So we're looking pretty good there. Let's take a look at what's happening next for us. Well, above freezing temperatures, not only today, but throughout. Rain moves in, and then the weekend forecast. So let's detail all of that and go into detail what's happening for you overnight tonight. Temperatures will fall. I think it gets chilly down to around 24 to 25 degrees under partly cloudy skies. And yes, pretty chilly. Temperatures tomorrow will moderate back, I think, to the upper 30s. We will stay dry, I think, for most of the day tomorrow, but not out of the question as you get into the evening hours that we see a chance of a spot shower. Normal high for us at around 43. Thursday's temperature at 38, and then Friday, yes, we bring in the rain showers throughout the day, but temperatures are pretty mild at around 44 degrees, so a rainy and mild Friday. I want to skip ahead to Friday because I want to show you TrueCast, our forecasting model, and how Friday plays out. Friday morning, we start you out with a few spotty showers. It's very light, not a big issue for us. Some of the rain moves in after 10 a.m., mainly south of Interstate 70, so a rainy day for you on Friday, especially after your lunch hour, because widespread rain, I mean, stretching from Peru into Lafayette into Greensburg, is this widespread rain throughout the afternoon and evening hours. We'll see a few breaks as you get into the late night hours on Friday, but Friday afternoon and evening is really just rainy. That continues into Saturday morning. As you see here, as we'll see some heavier downpours. So you're going to start out Saturday with quite a bit of rain. So showers on Saturday at 44 degrees, on Sunday at 44 degrees as well, but we'll work in more in the way of sunshine. So Sunday, the better day of the weekend forecast here as we'll start to warm things up. Here's your 7-day planning forecast for you. Temperatures dipping to about 38 for tomorrow, but we're back into the 40s. We hold steady there to start you off next week on Monday under mostly cloudy skies. Hey, you notice something in this forecast? Temperatures are remaining above freezing. Every single day we're above that 32-degree mark, which is good news for us at this point in December. So temperatures so far in December have not dropped below freezing as a high temperature, and we don't see that happening in the extended forecast.
It's great to see those 40s. Thank you, Ashley.